Okay, so the expression given as AB minus C plus DEF minus plus division. So here let's make two columns. The first one is symbol and the second one is stack. So we are going to scan each symbol from left to right. So first one is A, it goes into the stack. Then it's a B. So here we have A and B. Then it comes minus. So top of the stack is A and B. So here we are going to write A minus B. Now it comes C. So first operand we have A minus B and the second one is C. Then it comes plus. So there are only two operands left. So write down A minus B plus C. Put the whole expression into bracket. Then the next one is D. So now we have first operand A minus B plus C, the second operand as D. Now next symbol is E. So here we have D and E. The next one is F. So this is as it is, just add F. A minus B plus C, D, E, F. Okay, now we have four operands. This is the first one, second, third and fourth. The next symbol is minus. So this is as it is, A minus B plus C. Now the top of the stack is E and F. So here we have E minus F. Okay, the next symbol is plus. So first operand as it is, A minus B plus C. Then we have D plus E minus F and then keep it inside bracket. The last symbol is division. So now we have only two operands left. This is the first operand and this is the second operand. So the expression is A minus B plus C divided by D plus E minus F. So this is our final answer. Let's solve another example. Okay, this is another example given. ABD plus multiplication E division FGHK division plus multiplication minus. This is a postfix expression. We have to convert it into infix. So again, write down symbol and stack. We have to scan the symbols from left to right. The first one is A. It goes into the stack. Second is B. Again it goes into the stack. Third one is D. So we have three operands A, B and D. Top of the stack is D. Then the next one is plus. So first operand as it is, then we write down B plus D because top of the stack are B and D. Now the next one is multiplication. So we have only two operands. One is A and second one is B plus D. So here write down A multiplied by B plus D. Keep it inside the bracket. The next one is E. So here we have as it is A multiplication B plus D and the next operand, the second operand is E. The next symbol is division. So here we have A into B plus D division E. So again we are going to keep it inside the bracket. Okay, the next one is F. So this is as it is. The next symbol is G. So again write down the same. Just add G here. Then we have H. So here we have same F, G and H. Now we have four operands. This is the first one, second, third and fourth. The next symbol is K. Write down the same, just add K at the top of the stack. F, G, H, K. Okay, the next symbol is division. So here write down the same, A into B plus D divided by E, F, G, and top of the stack are H and K. So here write down H divided by K. The next one is plus. Now we have 4 operands. This is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. F, and here we have G plus H divided by K. Put it inside of the bracket. The next one is multiplication. So we have top of the stack are F and this expression. So here F into G plus H divided by K, and again put it in bracket. Okay, the last symbol is minus. Now we have only 2 operands remaining. This is a 1 and this is 2. So the final expression is A into B plus D division E minus F into G plus H divided by K, and that's it. This is our final infix expression for the above postfix expression. There is one more type of example which is always asked in exam, like the above example. Evaluate the following postfix expression. The expression is given as 562 plus into 12 4 division minus. So this is a postfix expression because the operators at the end, the operators are placed at the end. So how to solve this expression? We have to evaluate this. So write down again same symbol and stack. Now the first symbol is 5. So keep it inside stack. Then 6. Here we have 5 and 6. Then the next symbol we have is 2. So here we have 5, 6 and 2. The next one is a plus. Now we have top of the stack 6 and 2. So here write down 5, 6 plus 2, that is a 8. Then we have multiplication. So we have only 2 operands left, 5 and 8. So 5 multiplied by 8, the answer is 40. Then we have 12. So write down 40 and here 12. We have 2 operands, 40 and 12. The next symbol is 4. So we have 40, 12 and 4, 3 operands. The next symbol is division. Now top of the stack are 12 and 4. So 40 as it is. Division 12 divided by 4, that is a 3. The next symbol is minus, the last one. So there are only 2 operands remaining, 40 and 3. So 40 minus 3, that is equal to 37, and this is our result for the above postfix expression. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt regarding this topic or any other topic, then let me know in the comment section.